Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you what custom audiences are, how you can utilize them, and why they are so powerful. Custom audiences is a powerful feature that allows you to target specific groups of people who have already engaged with your business in any shape or form. This can include people who have visited your website, added your product to cart, engaged with you on social media, or interacted with your email campaigns. By targeting these groups of people, you increase the chances of showing your ads to people who have already interacted with your business and are more likely to convert. The first way to create a custom audience is uploading a customer list with emails or phone numbers to the platform you're going to create ads on. As I said earlier, you can also create custom audiences of people who engage with your business, either being your website, engage with you on social media, or with your email campaigns, which all can be done from the platform you're going to use to create campaigns. One of the most effective ways to utilize custom audiences is to use them in retargeting campaigns. Retargeting campaigns can be used to show ads to people who have already been to your website, added to cart, or engaged with you on social media. This can be a great way to bring people back to your website and increase the chances of making them purchase. Another way to utilize custom audiences is to use them to create a lookalike audience. Lookalike audiences allow you to reach similar people to your existing customers or similar to the custom audience you have created. Bear in mind, the bigger the custom audiences, the more targeted your lookalike audience is going to be. Another tip to use custom audiences is to test different ad creatives. Since those people are already familiar with your business and have engaged with it, these people are more likely to convert. So testing different creatives on them is going to allow you to see which creatives are actually interactive and are going to perform in prospecting audiences. So now let's go to my computer and I'll show you how you can create custom audiences on Facebook ads. So we're now here in my computer and I'm going to show you how you can create a custom audience. So you're going to log into your business manager, go to create, choose your sales subject, choose your campaign objective, click next, go to the ad set level, scroll down, and here where it says custom audiences, you're going to click create new custom audience, and then you can see all of the different sources you can use to create a custom audience. For customer list, choose customer list and follow the steps on how you can create one. Or you can choose website, click next, choose your website, and then you can choose all of the different events you want to do. Once you install your pixel correctly and you connect your website, you're going to have more events here. For example, add to cart, visited website, purchased, initiated checkout, and you can also create a custom audience of people who visited a specific page. So if you have a product that you want to create a retargeting ad for, you can choose all of the people who visited that page, or you can see it here, people who visited a specific page, and you can retarget them with ads specifically for that product. Then you can choose the retention. So with custom audiences based on your website events, you can go from 1 all the way up to 180 days. With creating custom audiences from social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, for example, you can go from 1 day all the way up to 365 days. You can see here the event, the maximum days for events from the website is 180. However, from social media platforms is 365. And how you're gonna name your audience? For example, in this case, we're gonna go website visitors 180 days and then drop the name of your business. So that's how you create custom audiences. Definitely use them. It's a great way to retarget people who have already engaged with your business. You can go from Instagram account, Facebook page, customer list, catalog, website, etc. So yeah, thank you very much for your time, guys. If you found value in this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.